Hey there, hope your day is going well. My name is Spencer. Today we're going to be taking a look at this JVC single deck cassette player and recorder. It's going to make it really easy to play back your tapes. It's got the cool clicking design for the buttons on the front for the playback controls. Then it's even got a microphone left and right jack in case you wanted to do any recording using a microphone. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. On the rear panel of it, you've got your record/play connection for using this with a system, specifically a JVC system. And then it's got your line input for recording onto tape, and then it's got your line output for playing back. That would be what you use to connect it to your sound system normally, just with the right and left jack. And then you've got your voltage meter right there that shows you the voltage that it is set to. And this cassette player was made in Japan. On the front panel of it, you've got your power button, phones jack for connecting some headphones, your normal play and record controls, and then a counter, you can reset that at any moment, and then your left and right microphone jack, that'll be for recording onto tape. And then your noise reduction system, you have ANRS and Dolby B. You can have that on or off. Then you've got your tape select. You can do SF, normal, SA, Chrome 2, or metal. And then you've got this cool knob right here. It controls the left and right record levels, so you can adjust them independently just by adjusting either the rear part of the knob or the front part of the knob. Just to show you how it works, let's go ahead and plug in the power, but not the audio just because of copyright issues. So after you plug in the power cord, go ahead and put a tape in it and then press play. So as you can see, it does all those basic controls. All you need to do in order to connect it to your speakers is just plug in that red and white cable on the back. This device is really cool. It's got those really neat clicking playback buttons on the front. I think they're really cool. But if you're looking to get one of these, make sure you get it from us at SpenCertified, and you can order online or over the phone. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.